Hi guys, today I will teach you how to jailbreak your iOS device in 2023. First, go to this site. I will put the link in the description below. Click skip this ads to download the profile and wait until it's downloaded. Once it's downloaded, go to Settings, General and Device Management and click Trust. Go back to home page and close the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to succeed with the exploit. Open the app and click Export. And voila, respring your device. This is my downloaded tweaks that I am using. Let's download other tweak. Open Psychia and you may search a lot of tweaks. Here is the sample that is working. That's all for today's video. Please like and share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.